Ka estimate committee jong ka ying dorbar thawan ka jala hapo ka jinga lam MLA ka nompo constituency uba mir bon CM kumusyong konor manta ka sing ka aphoi tarik unaitung kilahyar shari bhoi district banet jurup ya ki jingtai ya ka jaka ajing sumar ki badon hari bhoi district ki bakkan thop ya ka MCH hospital ka badon hakasnang umran ka badang don hapadeng ka jing penbit penbiang haswa ban yo ban pleno ya ka trauma center ka badon ha civil hospital nongpo Kajingte ka building office jong DMHO bari ki artli ki school ki bakon thop ka polytechnic ka badan hakasnong nongkhra bari ka Eklavia Model Residential School ka badan hakasnong paham CM harin kate ka jing Europe nakaliang ba mirror bon CM kumusyong konor jong kate ka committee habakran sekilar pathai khobor ula ong ba nakaliang ka committee kan budin bat pentikna haba yadai bat kini ki jingte khnang ba ki kam ki nong ki bayat be yat rinti khnang ba nla pendap ya ki kam hakapor ka babyang
Nakasinging i don hakani ke jaka lang ba jong ka estimate committee jong ka Meghalaya District Assembly ka program ka spot inspection ka bangila penbe hakini license ki blale ka bakentup ya education department ber health department ka estimate committee ketiga committee ya ka baka sarkar kala benset kerpang na ka benta bangin budin ban pentikna baki estimate ki balapan kre na kabanta ki jingte ki bapher ki lambe hospital ki lambe school aga jalla baro ko way bangin budin ban pentikena bakin long ki bibit ki babyang bat ki kam ki ban dep aga por babyang bat kani committee aga ju ko por ki pending issue ki bala sateng ki kam ki babun ki badang sateng kala bandai na gajing bomdon funding kala bandai na gajing bombyang ka estimate kepala sana kala bandai ki issue ki babun ki don yelek kat balak ban budin ngani ka committee bat hagani ka spot inspection ka bangila yo ban pendep kini kilai sngi ka bakan thuk ya ka eastern west khasi hill ya ka west khasi hill ya ka west garu hill south garu hill garib hoi district ni di district ka bangila ko ba kini ki lai sngi ka bakan thuk ya ki residential school kumhalau bertun nanta po rongjeng nanta po edenbari west garu hill nang taki politeknik idon artli ke we gede nong stoin ba ke we gede hapo nong khra nong po Ribuai district nang ta ki bade bat ka tenat ke ko ke khia ina yo ban jengo ya ki artli ki trauma center ke we gede ke ba tura bat ke we gede nong po bat mentang di jong health department ngidon hagane ke MCH hospital hang ne hapo umran parila umsning konsulsi Ribuai district ke kum ka committee ngila lab bat ngila syam ki don ki bentah ki ba ngihap ban budin nakaliang jong komiti ban pentikna ba kini ki institution ki bakentup ya katanat jong ko kakhya ber puling putih ki dei ban dep kloi kat bala khnang ba kinla ban long operationalize nam ta ki mentoy jong ki pai ba babun ki balang lagi di residential school lagi di kini ki EMRS ka bengi la yo ban pej ka we ke dia po pamsim bat ka we ke dia po samanda kini ki Eklavia Model Residential School bat kumjuru pada berketanat dengan koi kekhia dengan yo ban budin bat kene komiti ingin persangkat bala ban pendikna bagi ki barok ki bagi sarkar ka de ban sanction apa ding jing duna ki babun ki bang ya kendu ngin budin bagi ni kam ki de ban long nam tang jing mentoy jong ki bai ba jong jella bro ko
tikum ba phila jurip menta bro ko ke jella i ba ki bun ki structure additional charges belani ki ka fund bangin hapan alot hang tu ka to ka dei nem ka jing ta ya ka pisang bai ba
ka phi takadaw ong phi ba kani ka committee ngi penlut ya ka por ka jumi nang transport inspection ban pentikena ban ensure bagi di ban yen phi ka estimate man tagi don kini ki project ki ba ka SOR ka dina usnem katsan kan riu ka kam kala ya la sange mentala da pin habala sange ka kam arlai snem la di senang biang menta ka dor kala ya per sabeneng sekendo ini takadaw kani committee ngi simkhia ban pentikena bala ran kam ban rikas bandrikas gitu ke estimate kata ke kamram jumi ban pentikna bade bandrikas biang ban re-estimate yaki khnang ba ka kam kan yat khnang ba kinom sakut kini ki project karwala
tinang ka next step dengan committee minta ban ensure ba
kini ban submit ya ki report ke jungi ke findings ke observation ke jungi kumbala pan kupor da ka legislative assembly kan ban submit ya ka report syaka legislature at the same time syaka executive ru bangin ka delegation ke jungi the same delegation ngin let ban budin ban penting kenan mari kwa ampi kena estimate committee kani ka team ka bangidan menta ba ngin tray kat bala ban ensure ba kini ki kam ki pesateng ki de ban pendep no tang ji mentoy do pa
Tina liang komiti kandon kano time frame saya bakun asya government bakun nat pendapat wood ini ki project.
Kloy kat bala ka time frame kebetulan hangi kalau mau kloy kat bala marba kani kan deiru ban ngin ha banyak keren lam taman sanction bandang jin penmang di batamai ban rikas ki estimate kini kita akan simpori dan ri kat bala ngin yele ban budin bakan dep kloy.
About a month ago, the health minister herself has come and visited this place. So in that meeting, we have requested officers from the PWD department, PHE department, and the MECL. As far as the MECL is concerned, I've seen that they have completed the connection, but whether they have commissioned it or not, I don't know. Kila connect kalai, but I ne kakam te kala adap ne. So that is one. Second most important is the road, and the tendering process for that is ongoing now. Only left is to be allotted. And through this committee, I would like to request, because when we ask the PWD, they stick to their own dimensions and specifications. But this being a hospital, at least 500 meters, both sides, the road should be widened, because when people come, they will need parking space. Only this compound here will not be enough. So there will be auto rickshaws, there will be local taxis to move to and fro to bring patients. So the usual 9 feet of road for 2 vehicles to ply is very difficult. I think if you have come through the usual road, today even the truck is blocking the road there. That's why you could not come straight. You have to go all around it. So the approach road, and the condition why the road is so bad is because there's no drainage. All the water that comes from the hillsides, the road becomes the way for the water. So it digs up all the pebbles and all that, no? So these 3 main things,